Hi pals, this is Natalie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about tomato sauce number 3. And this tomato sauce is one of the best you will ever try. If you've ever been to a really nice Italian restaurant and you've had the gnocchi or malaredus, then this is the sauce that you have most likely tasted there. However, I haven't found it in any cookbook I own, any Italian cookbook, and I own probably about maybe seven Italian cookbooks, except for one. And that is Marcella Hazan. And you can find it on the internet and other places. And these are the ingredients, very simple. It gives me anxiety when tomato season is coming to an end, but I have another recipe next week that will help with your tomato anxiety if you also experience that. All right, today or this evening, I am drinking Primitivo. Anyway, let's get cooking. Okay, so slice your tomatoes lengthwise. Now you want to simmer for 10 minutes. Remove the tomato skins. They should come off very easily. Strain out the seeds. A special dish like this, I like to use nice butter. So this is from France, and you get it at Whole Foods, but otherwise I'll just use a basic butter. Do this. All right. Go put our salt in there. One teaspoon of sugar. Add your onions cut side down. So you will simmer this for 45 minutes uncovered, just like this. All right, so you can now remove those B-cup onions, and it's time to add the sauce to the gnocchi. Nice and rich.